of Gurukul Mission Senior Secondary School Devariya and the students of class 12 mathematics. In this very sensitive period of COVID-19, we have to remain safe from this disease, and for this we have to use mask and sanitization and keep a distance of at least 1 meter from each other. So my dear students, in continuation of the properties of determinants, our first property is the value of the determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. So let us verify this property. For this, let delta is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, expanding along R1, we get delta is equal to A1, B2, B3, C2, C3 minus A2, B1, B3, B1, B3, C1, C3 and plus A3, A1, B1, B2, C1, C2. So this is equal to A1, B2, C3 minus B3, C2 minus A2, B1, C3 minus B3, C1 plus A3, B1, C2 minus B2, C1. So this is also equal to, by breaking the bracket, A1, B2, C3 minus A1, B3, C2 minus A2, B1, C3 plus A2, B3, C1 plus A3, B1, C2 minus A3, B2, C1. So this is the value of the determinant delta. Also let delta 1 is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 expanding along R1, we get delta 1 is equal to A1, B2, C2, B2, C2, B3, C3 minus B1, A2, C2, A3, C3 and plus C1, A2, B2, A3, B3. So this after simplification we get A1, B2, C3 minus B3, C2 minus B1, A2, C3 minus A3, C2 plus C1, A2, B3 minus A3, B2. By breaking the bracket we get A1, B1, C3 minus A1, B3, C2 minus B1, A2, C3 plus B1, A3, C2 plus C1, A2, B3 minus C1, A3, B2. So this is equal to delta. Hence, so we see that the value of delta and delta 1 both are same. So this verify the property 1. So dear students, example 6, verify property 1 for delta equal to determinant 2 minus 35 604 15 minus 7. Expanding along R1, we get delta is equal to 2 into 0 4 5 minus 7 minus 3 into 6 4 1 minus 7 and plus 5 into 6 0 1 5. So this is equal to 2 into 0 minus 20 plus 3 into minus 42 minus 4 and plus 5 into 30 minus 0. So this is equal to minus 40 plus 3 into minus 46 and plus 5 into 30. So this is equal to minus 40 minus 138 plus 150. So this is equal to minus 52. Minus 52. This is equal to minus 178 and plus 150, and this is equal to minus 28. Interchanging rows and columns of delta, we get delta 1 equal to 2 6 1 minus 3 0 5 5 4 minus 7. Expanding along C1, we get delta 1 is equal to 2 into 0 5 4 minus 7 minus 3 6 1 4 minus 7 and plus 5 into 6 1 0 5. So this is equal to 2 into minus 20 plus 3 minus 42 minus 4 and plus 5 into 100 5 into 30. 5 into 30. So this is minus 40 plus 3 into minus 46 and plus 150. So this is equal to minus 40 minus 138 plus 150. And so this is equal to minus 178 plus 150. So this is equal to minus 28. So
3.
So this is equal to minus 178 plus 150 and this is equal to minus 28. So delta is equal to delta 1 verified. So dear students, let us see second property, that is if any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinant changes. To verify this, let delta is equal to a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3. The determinant expanding along R1, we get delta is equal to A1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus A2 B1 C3 minus C1 B3 and plus A3 B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Interchanging R1 and R3, that is applying R1 C1 C2 C3 B1 B2 B3 A1 A2 A3, expanding along R3, we get delta 1 is equal to A1 C2 B3 minus B2 C3 minus A2 C1 B3 minus B1 C3 and plus A3 C1 B2 minus B1 C2. This is equal to minus A1 B2 C3 minus C2 B3 and minus A2 B1 C3 minus C1 B3 and plus A3 B1 C2 minus B2 C1, and this is equal to minus delta, so delta 1. So verify it. Delta 1 is minus delta. 42 for delta equal to determinant 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. For this verification we have a solution, and let delta is equal to determinant 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. Expanding along R2, we get delta is equal to minus 6 into 21 minus 25 plus 0 into minus 14 minus 5 and plus 4 into 10 plus 3. So this is equal to minus 6 minus 4 and plus 4 into 13. So this is minus plus minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus, so minus. So this is 24 and minus 52. So this is equal to minus 28. Interchanging R2 and interchanging R3 and R1, we get delta 1 is equal to determinant 1 5 minus 7 6 0 4 2 minus 3 5. So this is equal to expanding along R2 we get delta 1 is equal to minus 6 into 25 minus 21 plus 0 into 5 plus 14 minus 4 into minus 3 minus 10 minus 3 minus 10. So 54 and plus 52. So its value is 28 and this is equal to minus 28. So this is equal to minus delta. So delta 1 is equal to minus delta verified. And the property second property. Those R columns of the determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant becomes 0. To verify this, let delta is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Applying R2, R3, we get delta is equal to A1, B1, C1, A3, B3, C3, A2, B2, C2. So this is equal to minus delta by property 2. So this gives delta plus delta is equal to 0. This gives 2 delta is 0. So this gives delta is equal to 0. Hence verified. And 3 to 3. We see that R1 and R3 are identical, so its value must be 0. So for this, let us verify it. Let delta is equal to 3 to 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 3. Expanding along R1, we get delta is equal to 3 into 6 minus 6 minus 2 into this cancel. 6 minus 9 and plus 3 into 4 minus 6. So this is 3 into 0 minus 2 into minus 3 and plus 3 into minus 2. So this is equal to 6 minus 6 and value is 0. So delta is 0. Hence, if two rows are identical, the value of the determinant becomes 0. Verify it. So property 4, if any row or column of a determinant multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. To verify this, suppose let delta is equal to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. Suppose each element of R1 is multiplied by k, then let delta 1 is equal to k a1, k b1, k c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3, k into a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 by taking common k from R1. So this is equal to k delta. So delta 1 is equal to delta k. Verify it. So to verify this property, let us solve example 9. Let us evaluate determinant equal to 102, 1836, 134, 1736. Let us use the solution for the flat delta is equal to 102, 1836, 1, 3, 4, 17, 3 and 6. So this is equal to 6 into 102, 6 into 3, 6 into 6, 1, 3, 4, 17, 3, 6. So taking 6 common from R1, we get 16, 17, yeah. We get 17, 3, 6, 1, 3, 4, 17, 3, 6. So this is equal to 6 into 0, that is 0, because R1 and R3 are identical. Hence